Want to know what we're doing behind the scenes? Happy July. I wanted to hop on here really quick and talk about a couple things that are happening in the month of July. If you didn't hear, Skin Deep Aesthetics is now a medical spa. And the reason we did this is to be able to offer you more advanced anti-aging treatments, but we're still going to be able to maintain a healthy skin barrier. And we need your help this month because we found a new serum that we can microchannel into the skin. It helps with restoring the skin barrier by increasing hydration, and it helps repair sun damage, which is perfect for the summer months. So the company was kind enough to send us a couple samples of it. And for those of you who know me well, I'm going to show you right here. I have melasma right here on my cheeks. So make sure you follow us on YouTube and Instagram because I'm going to have my team do these treatments on me, and I'm going to be tracking my progress because I want to show you guys in real time how amazing this new serum is, and I want you to be part of this journey with me. So my team will be working on me. Stay tuned for a treatment that's going to be happening in the next week, as well as progress reports and before and afters. So make sure you follow us on YouTube and Instagram, and you'll be alerted every time a new video or a new post goes live. So thanks for watching. Happy July, and we'll be back with more videos.